Hey there, meme enthusiasts! Welcome back to Guess TV. Can you guess the memes by its voice? Alright, let's dive right into our first voice.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Sounds familiar? Drop your guesses in the comments below. Yeah, it's Sulu by Ronaldo.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
I put my armor on, show you how strong I.
Who could that be? Think. Yes, it's I put my armor on.
I put my armor on, show you how strong I.
That voice. Who's shouting out the beloved state of Ohio? It's real MrBeast? More like Ohio.
Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. He said a gummy.
Bouncing and jiggling. Can you guess this voice? I'm a gummy, yeah, oh.
Gummy bear. Gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. He said a gummy bear.
A little cryptic, but trust us, you know this one. You are right, it's Sigma who?
It's me, Mario! It's me, Mario! It's me, Mario! Skibidi dop, yes.
Fast and Furious. Who's the speedy meme?
Skibidi dop, yes.
Stay cool, feline fans. Which meme could this be? Stay cool, feline fans. Which meme could this be? A dance like no other. Get those guesses in. Yes, it's coffin dance.
One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4. One, two, buckle my shoe. 3, 4. 1.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。
I promise you heard his voice before. Yes, it's John Cena Bing chilling.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋。早上。
How do you think you did? Don't forget to let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for joining today's challenge. If you had fun and want more of such exciting content, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from your channel name. Share with friends and challenge them too. Till next time, keep memeing. Share with friends and challenge them too. Till next time, keep memeing.